students, welcome back to What Extent. My name is Pihika and today I'm going to share 10 new English words along with sentences, synonyms and antonyms. These words are related to food lovers. So let's get started. The first word is Savory. Sentence: the chef prepared a savory dish with herbs and spices. Synonyms: tasty, flavorful. Antonyms: bland, tasteless. The next word is Cuisine. Sentence: Italian cuisine is famous for its pasta and pizza. Synonyms: cooking, food. Antonyms: fasting, starvation. The next word is ingredient. Sentence: fresh ingredients make the best meals. Synonyms: component, element. Antonyms: whole, complete. The next word is appetite. Sentence: exercise gives me a healthy appetite. Synonyms: hunger, carving. Antonyms: fullness, satiety. The next word is portion. Sentence: the restaurant serves generous portions for a food. Synonyms: serving, helping. Antonyms: whole, nutty. The next word is flavor. Sentence: the soup has a rich and a complex flavor. Synonyms: taste, savor. Antonyms: blandness, tasteless. The next word is recipe. Sentence: I followed my grandmother's recipe for the chocolate cake. Synonyms: formula, instructions. Antonyms: improvisation, randomness. The next word is garnish. Sentence: the chef used fresh herbs to garnish the plate. Synonyms: decorate and embellish. Antonyms: strip, remove. The next word is tender. Sentence: the meat was cooked until it was perfectly tender. Synonyms: soft, succulent. Antonyms: tough, hard. The next word is aroma. Sentence: the aroma of fresh bread filled the kitchen. Synonyms: scent, fragrance. Antonyms: stench, odor. Thank you for learning. You have learned 10 powerful words today. Tip word of the day: Savory. Your challenge: describe your favorite dish using today's food words. Also try using these words in a daily conversation. This the best way to remember them. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more daily English lessons. See you tomorrow with 10 more interesting